Earth Hour, a lights out event for our planet. All over the world, millions of people use energy every day, every night. Energy makes our home toasty when it's cool. It cooks the dumpling soup we ladle into bowls. Energy helps our ancient heritage shine proud. It heats the terrace as we dine under the stars, and it keeps darkness at bay through long polar nights. Energy washes the fun and games from our clothes. When the day is done, it warms our bath as we splash, splash, splash. Energy is a wonderful resource from Earth, a gift from nature we respect and conserve. That is why, on a Saturday night at 8:30 sharp, near the equinox in March, on every continent, millions join together in quiet celebration to turn out their lights. From an opera house to a great wall, to a resting site magnificent and 400 feet high. Light after light goes dark around us, yet this 1 hour a year isn't enough. Every light counts, every day, every night, whether tiny or giant, bright or dim. Alone we are one, but together we have power. United we are Earth Hour.